In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a prototype in Behance. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your account, then you want to go to the top right and hover over Share Work, and then click on Project. Now, in here, you want to go to the right where it says Add Content. You want to click on Prototype, and then it says you can share from Figma, Marvel, Sketch, etc. So just basically paste in your embed code, and then from here you can click on the Embed button, and that way it's going to embed or add your prototype inside your project. So usually it's going to load for a few seconds, and whenever that's done, you'll just be able to click on the Continue button over here, or of course add something else. So that's it, that's my prototype from Figma. I can click on Continue over here, and then of course you have to give it a name. So I'm going to name this one, for example, sample 1, and then of course tags over here as well. I'm going to do a tag design, and then of course you have to select your category as well. I'm going to do graphic design right now. There we go. And then tools used, it can be whatever. I'm just going to type in Figma in this case. There we go. I'm going to click on it, and then of course here you can select visibility, you can add additional details, stuff like that. Okay, now that's going to be it for now. You can also add a project cover if you wanna. I'm going to skip this, and I'm just going to click on publish. Now here, if you get the missing errors over here, so of course things can't continue if you don't fix these errors, you're going to have to fix them. So just scroll over where there's red. For me, I actually have to put on the cover image, so I'm going to click on upload, and I'm just going to select a random image over here, click on open right now. There we go. And now what I'm going to do from this is just crop it, and I'm going to click on publish, and there we go. That's all you have to do to add a prototype in Behance. Now I can go to the top right over here, and I can hover over my profile, click on Behance profile, and there we go. You'll see I have my prototype in here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.